Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in bright white. With black headlamp bezel finish, adaptive cruise control with stop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, black lens tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, rear seat dual screen Blu-ray DVD player, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5889A.